about celebrating the end of the day. It's also about cherishing the memories, friendships, and lessons learned along the way. We are proud to witness these young minds step into a new chapter of their academic journey.
We are honored to have with us today our Director, Ms. Krishna Zanjwala, to adore this event. A heartfelt welcome to all of our dear parents and well-wishers who have been the pillars of support in this journey. To begin this auspicious occasion, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty. May I request Madam Director, our advisor ma'am, our principal ma'am, and the PAC members to lighten the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you all to please stand for the invocation.
Thank you everyone. Please take your seat. A school is like, and the principal is like the guiding light. It's a privilege to invite our esteemed principal, Ms. Priya Sharma, to share a few words of wisdom.
Madam Director, Secretary Mrs. Rita Banerjee, Principals of Sister Institutes, parents and my dear children. Graduation is a successful ending and exciting beginning. Today marks a significant milestone in the lives of our children.
Encouraging our children and propelling them towards a better future. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. But here, at Jingleville School, we believe in nurturing talent alongside academics. Our children of Mulberry are here to welcome you all with a heartfelt song, Welcome This Day. The song, accompanied by the soothing notes of the synthesizer, is a tribute to our parents, teachers, and everyone who has been a part of this journey. I would like to call upon stage our brilliant buddies of Mulberry section to showcase their talent. through their expressive movements and footwork. This performance is a celebration of tradition, discipline, and the beauty of Indian classical art forms.
अब प्रस्तुत है तीन ताल में सादा टुकड़ा। धा धिन धिन धा 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 तत तत थे तिगधा तिगधि थे तिगधा तिगधि थे तिगधा तिगधि थे तिगधा तिगधि थे। धा धिन धिन धा 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 तिगधा तिगधा थे तिगधा तिगधा थे ताधी धी धा ताधी धी धा तत 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 तत। अब प्रस्तुत है कृष्ण कवित मोर मुकुट। धा धिन धिन धा 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 मोर मुकुट पीतांबर सोहे चबल नयन कुंडल चमके तत एक तत दो तत तीन तत चार तत पाँच तत छः तत सात तत आठ तत नौ। अब प्रस्तुत है तीन ताल में सादी तिहाई। धा धिन धिन धा 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 ताधी धी तत आधी धी तत थे ताधी धी तत आधी धी तत थे ताधी धी तत आधी धी तत थे।
where we'll encounter characters whose innocence, generosity, and personal growth make the story not just a tale of one village, but a reflection of universal human values. Themes of self-discovery, empathy, and community spirit are explored in ways that resonate deeply even in today's fast-paced, often disconnected world. Join us on this captivating journey where every line, every gesture, and every moment echoes the beauty of human connection. As the young actors breathe life into the classical tale, they invite us all to rediscover the timeless truth that make us who we are. Let's call upon stage children of Camellia children to express the same.
Moti, the landlord of the village, was traveling along the river with his family to Kathalia in rural Bengal. His boat halted during the midday and everybody got down to have lunch at the riverside. Just then, a boy with large eyes and a pleasant face, wearing old dhoti, came up to Motilal. I am Tarpada and want to travel to Nandigram, which the boat would be passing through. He seems quite innocent. We should agree to join us.
Yes, we can.
The boy was quite polite. Motilal instantly agreed to take him. He offered him lunch as well. Later, Motilal's wife, Anupurna, tried to extract some information about Tarpada's background. What is your age, beta? Where do you live? And what about your family? I am 8 years old and I have left home of my own accords. I was the fourth child of my parents and lost my father early. I had been a well-loved child along with my family, but neighbors, my teachers too had showered affection on me. But I had an inborn urge, that is to be free from bonds, even those based on affections. So I ran from my home again and again till my family and my neighbors.
Sure. You are such a kind child. You are doing it so effortlessly.
Oh, thank you. This way used to help everybody in several ways. One evening, Motilal was reading out Ramayana to the villagers. Tarpada came to them and said, "Wow, what a beautiful story you are reading. Keep the book down. Listen to me as I act out the story of Kush and Love." All were attracted by hearing this melodious voice. As everyone praised the little Charushi, the daughter of Motilal, her heart was bursting with envy and resentment.
I am the only one who deserves all this love. I don't want anyone to share my portion of love.
Realizing this, that Charu is getting jealous of the boy, her mother stopped praising the boy in front of her. I think we should stop praising Tarpada as she is quite jealous of him.
Oh, I think you are right.
As she falls asleep, now the couple used to watch Tarpada's performance.
Ma, what a racket you all are making. I can't sleep.
Acha Baba, sorry for the disturbance. Now we will stop it and go to sleep. It's late. It's late now. Let's go to sleep. I feel that Charu doesn't like me. I must try to win her by increasing my interaction with her.
He was so caught up in his new world that he did notice that the boat passed by Nandigram. When the boat finally reached Kathalia,
Friends, we have reached our destination. Thank you, Bhaiya, for making us reach here safely. It's my pleasure.
at the arrival of the landlord, village rejoined and hosted a big welcome ceremony.
Namaskar, I am Tarpada. I am thrilled to expand my network. You all are an amazing addition to my life.
Nice to meet you too. Come and experience the pure bliss of a village.
I must admit that your village is quite beautiful and peaceful. I would love to explore more. Oh, here is a bookstore. Let me explore it. Wow, what beautiful books are these? I wish I could learn English.
Oh, do you want to learn English?
Yes.
Okay, I will arrange a good tutor for you who will assist you in learning this language. I know a friend of mine is surely going to help you.
Then he brings his friend Hiralal to teach him the language. Dharmada was completely engrossed in learning English. Seeing this, Charu too insisted to learn English.
Baba, I also want the same tutor.
But my dear, don't show any interest. How will you concentrate on the lesson?
I don't want to listen anything. I just want to join the lessons.
Okay, as you wish.
She joined the lessons but proved to be hindrance in Dharmada's studies.
I won't let him reach the heights. I have to do something to create distraction. Oh yes, I can spoil his book. Here is it. Let me spell it on the book.
Like this, she used to create disturbance in Dharmada's studies.
Oh God, my book, it is completely spoiled. I know this is done by you only, Charan. Please go away. I was expecting to be beaten, but he just always tolerates my mistake. This time it's a blunder. I must apologize to him. I am sorry, Tarpala. Please forgive me. I will never do this mistake again. It's okay.
This incident changed Charu completely. Just like all others, she too started admiring Tarpada and taking good care of him. She used to serve him food and does not let anyone to disturb him, especially when he is studying. This was the big time for the villagers where they were going to celebrate the 40th birthday of their landlord. They want to be a grand celebration.
Ma, on Baba's birthday, I want Tarpada's family also to be invited. Oh wow dear, you gave such a great idea. We immediately will send an invitation to them.
I have already inquired about Tarpada's family. They are happy to hear about their son and soon will come here. Hearing this, Tarpada felt electrifying thrill. The unattached boy became attached to the family. This was the settlement of attitude in him as he developed feeling of bonding. In between of the preparation, Tarpada left his house and went to the river on moonlit night. He saw various boats carrying several things and he drifted away into the distance, leaving everything behind. The next day,
Ma, Baba, Tarpada's family has come. They are eager to see him. I peeped into Tarpada's room, but he was found nowhere.
he is our son and now we know him very well. He will be never attached. His nature compels him to break free. He has left all of us once again.
My heart shattered. The special guest of Katharya has left, carrying with it the hearts of everyone. His footprints may have faded, but the memories he created will be lasted with us lifelong.
The old leaders clapping for the victory.
I am reading the book based on the nature. It describes it as nature is a gentle mother who treats her children in tender love.
Yes, nature plays a vital role maintaining life on Earth, supporting ecosystem, economy, and human well-being. But the state of nature today is alarming.
Why?
The harmful impact of human activities, such as deforestation, burning fossils, full release of carbon dioxide in the air, etc.
So what should be our action?
Let's see how can we save our Mother Earth through the presentation of my dear friends of Class 5 Bottle Brush.
is behind me, I cannot see, but all around are fire, water, and air. Above, below, behind, before, and every side, the world is wide, and in it here stand I.
India's Constitution, adopted on January 26, 1950, is a cornerstone of the creating values, granting citizens the right to live freely and practice their faith without fear.
Right to equality. Right to freedom of speech and expression. Right against discrimination. Right to freedom of religion. Right to education are some fundamental rights for Indian citizens.
Wow, that is inspiring. But who would have thought about all these rights?
I wonder too, but our one friend D.R. Ambedkar is regarded as the father of the Constitution.
In the village of Mau, a diamond was born. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a leader to adorn. On January 26, a day of delight, our Constitution shining bright. The land of Gandhi, Tagore
citizens to practice, preach, and propagate their faith.
To understand secularism. What is to be secular? How to practice it? Let's dive in and welcome our friend with the presentation.
dance and musical events on their themes were performed. Presenting before us the same theme, the children of Chrysanthemum section are here to sway rhythmically on a Himachal's song.
Manuja to join us for the same.
Dear students, today is a celebration of your hard work, dedication and growth. As you step into a new chapter of your journey, I would like to take a moment to appreciate each one of you for the unique qualities that make you special. So I call upon Aradhya Singh. You are a diligent and ambitious girl. Your collaborative attitude has proven to be a boon for the class. Your passion for achieving the best will take you far in your life. Aditya Mishra. Your smile is contagious, and your kind, helpful and cooperative nature makes you a joy to be around. You are always ready to lend a hand to support others. Advita Oja. You are a jovial, hard-working girl. Your attitude of accepting and learning from mistakes will take you far in life. Akshaya Tiwari. You are a diligent girl, student with a pure heart. Your social ethics have been exemplary for the class. Akshit Singh. Your artistic skills are impressive. You tackle issues and challenges with a positive, can-do attitude. An attitude like that can change the world. Alnoor Sharif. You are an amazing mathematician and techno-savvy child. PowerPoint presentations you made throughout the sessions were helpful to the class. Amrit. You have always been a helping hand throughout the session. Your generous nature makes you a unique child. Aradhya Singh. You are a fantastic student. Your optimistic attitude makes you a unique child. Your consistent effort in academics will take you far. Arnav Pandey. You are a diligent child. Your ability to communicate with other students is extremely commendable. Arya Srivastav. You are a responsible and well-organized child. Your innovation and unique ideas during brainstorming sessions have always been commendable. Asmita Srivastav. You are a creative and imaginative child. Your passion for doing your best in everything you undertake is truly inspiring. Your storytelling skills captivate everyone around you. Atharv Singh. You are a bubbly and confident child. You believe in your abilities. Your respectful nature and kindness towards everyone you meet makes you truly special. Ayushman Patel. You are an amazing student with immense potential. Your dedication and determination to become a cricketer are truly admirable. You manage to balance your studies and sports practice exceptionally well, showcasing both discipline and passion. Ayushman Singh. You have been a caring and supportive child throughout the session. Your smile is contagious, spreading positivity and enlightening the environment. Bharat Raj Singh. Your ever-present smile brings warmth to those around you. You speak in a slow and calm manner. Your adaptability in different situations is truly admirable. Daksh Rao. Your inquiring nature is praiseworthy. Your hard work and determination to do better have elevated your progress. Your love for reading, especially enlightened books, is a great advantage for your progress. Divyam Kartikeya. You are a bold and bright child. Your adoration for machines is appreciable. Your ability to thrive in tough situations is always appreciated. Divyashi Shukla. You are a zestful child with a versatile attitude. You are a flexible learner and adapt extremely quickly and smoothly to changes and any challenge that you may encounter. Arisha Manuja. You are an innovative child. Your growth in several academic areas have been impressive. Your willingness to progress is absolutely commendable. Jaisukh Singh. You are a calm and efficient boy. Your passion for achieving the best and your never giving up attitude is praiseworthy. Madhushri Srivastav. You are a bold and meticulous girl. You understand relationships well and show respect towards them. Parth Gaurav. You are a joyous and helpful child. Your presence always makes the ambience lively. Prabhu. You have great potential and just need an extra push to shine. Your cooperative, kind and humble nature makes you an asset to any group. Sanvi Kesarwani. You have a great sense of humor. Every day you ensure that the entire group laugh. Your bubbly personality and penchant for humor are truly a treat. Shivansh Rathore. You are an amazing athlete who always carries a smile. You are respectful, kind and always listen to your elders, making you a wonderful role model. Shresh Pratap Singh. You are an energetic boy with lots of potential. Your positive attitude in encountering challenges is commendable. Shreyas Harshul. You have been a responsible child throughout the session. The smile on your face is contagious. You love to explore the world. Shubh Gupta. You are an optimistic child. Your ability to thrive in tough situations is always appreciated. Your consistency in reading will take you far. Suryansh Pratap Singh. Your kind, humble and generous nature will always be appreciated. You have lots of hidden potential. Swasti Agarwal. You are a dedicated learner. You have always taken the initiative to learn new things and expand your mind. You are a great example of persistence. Vinayak Mani Tiwari. You are a bright and cheerful child. You have participated in class activities with lots of enthusiasm. We are certain that your love for learning will take you far. Yug Pandey. You are a confident child with a friendly and positive attitude. Your presence helps create a fun and sweet atmosphere that's valuable. Thank you everyone.
Adya Tripathi. Your language skills are impressive, but it's your love for writing that truly shines through. Arav Singh Rawal. Your enthusiasm is contagious. You motivate others to do their best, and that's truly admirable. Abhay Singh. Your responsibility and reliability are traits that will serve you well throughout your life. Your positive attitude and helpful nature make a big difference. Abhiraj Singh. You have a remarkable ability to absorb and process information. Your understanding of complex concepts is impressive. Aditi Pandey. Your involvement in class discussions and activities is outstanding. The way you remain vigilant and alert will leave a great impact wherever you will go. Aditya Singh. Your creativity and innovation shine through in the amazing models you create. Adyant Vikram Singh. Your sportsmanship, teamwork and positive attitude make you a role model for your peers. Keep being an amazing football player. Ashwini Kaur. Your enthusiasm and love for learning are inspiring. You are a confident speaker who shares her thoughts effectively. Akhan Srivastava. Your positive energy and enthusiasm are contagious. You have a way of lifting everyone's spirits and making us all feel more connected. Ansh Yadav. Your enthusiasm for learning is applaudable. Keep being curious and open to new experiences. Anya Pandey. Your soft-spoken nature and thoughtful questions show that you are a deep thinker. Your gentle spirit is a gift to our classroom community. Arun Chaturvedi. Your loving nature and kind heart make our classroom a warmer and more welcoming place. Your strong will and resilience are traits that will serve you well throughout the life. Arush Srivastava. Your attention to detail and thoroughness in completing the task are exceptional. Your calm and focused attitude is applaudable. Ashutosh Sharma. Your problem-solving skills and critical thinking are impressive. You are learning valuable skills through your model making and game designing endeavors. Atharv Singh. Your infectious smile and speedy completion of tasks make you a joy to work with. Deval Agarwal. Your willingness to help others and your desire to understand complex concepts are admirable traits. Devesh Srivastava. Your academic excellence is a testament to your hard work. Your thoughtful questions and comments show that you are fully invested in your learning. Divyansh Sharma. Your ability to listen attentively and process information carefully is impressive. You are developing essential skills for success. Medha Mishra. Your voice is a gift. You bring joy and harmony to our classroom with your amazing singing talent. Pragati Rajpal. Your acting skills are impressive, but it's your loving heart that truly makes your performance special. Pratishtha Singh. Your quiet confidence is inspiring and your outstanding work speaks volumes about your dedication and understanding. Rajdeep Chandra. You are a trusted partner in our classroom. You are a blessing to everyone around you, always knowing exactly what to say or do to help others feel seen and heard. Rakshit Tripathi. Your stage presence is impressive and your confidence inspires others to strive for excellence. Rudra Pratap Singh. Your thoughtful observations and insightful comments enrich our discussions and inspires others to think critically. Shivansh Tiwari. Your kind heart and helping hand make a big difference in our classroom community. Shreyash Tiwari. You have a gift for understanding and responding to the need of others. Your way of showing affection and care to those around you is quite commendable. Suhani Srivastav. Your dialogue delivery is impressive. You bring life to the characters with your clear and confident voice. Swarnim. Your beautiful expressions while acting on the stage bring joy to everyone around you. Hamad. Your patience is contagious. The way you listen attentively to others and show empathy towards their feelings is commendable. Tanmay Verma. Your teamwork and communication with your fellow players are top notch. Ujjwal Agarwal. Your effort and determination are truly impressive. Your traits of never giving up is something to be really proud of. Vaibhavi Pandey. Your creativity and imagination are shining through in all of your artwork. You have a great eye for design. Thank you.
Aditi Yadav. You work efficiently and achieve all the targets confidently. You display patience, perseverance, and good listening skills. Akrit Singh. An admirable communicator, you actively participate in class discussions confidently. Your writing skills are appreciable as well. Agriya Singh, you are a confident girl adorned with a charismatic personality. You catch everyone's attention with a gracious awe. Ahan Shakir, you are an innovative and creative child who displays research attitude and implements learnings efficiently. Alisha Razi, you are a good dancer and take pride in it. You have a happy feet and possess a good sense of beats as you catch the rhythm easily. Arjuna Singh, you possess the skill and talent to learn new concepts fast. Your retaining power is incomparable. Your problem-solving ability is appreciable. Arpit Singh, your thoughtfulness is a gift. You plan your work and execute it efficiently. Your ability to keep track of assignments, deadlines, and materials is truly impressive. Keep up the great work. Aska Yadav, you display patience and perseverance in the class. A role model, your performance is exemplary and commendable. Your organization skills are appreciable. Ayush Yadav, you are strong and adventurous boy. A dedicated player, you exhibit flexibility and enthusiasm in the confident boy, your communication skills are appreciated. Your ability to coordinate with your peers is impressive. Himansh Pandey, an enthusiastic learner, you have made a lasting impact through your positive attitude, creativity, laughter, power of teamwork, and unwavering determination. Your kindness and spirit will always be remembered. Rani Koswami, you are kind, intelligent, and hardworking. Your dedication to learning and willingness to help others have made this a memorable trip. Keep nurturing your curiosity and passion. The world will open doors for you in unimaginable ways. Deepika Gupta, your creativity has added color and brilliance to our journey together. You have consistently amazed us with your imagination and innovation. Keep nurturing the creative spark. Eva Singh, an all-rounder, you excel in many areas. Your hard work, balance, and dedication inspires everyone around you and make you stand out in the best possible way. Gaurav Pratap Singh, your dedication, teamwork, and passion for sports are truly inspiring. Your achievements are testament to your strength, determination, and interest. Gurman Singh Gill, you excel in everything you do. Your ability to balance academics, sports, extracurricular activities is truly remarkable. Keep up the great work. Anand Singh, your dedication, teamwork, and passion for sports are truly inspiring. Your hard work, balance, and problem-solving skills are appreciated. Keep up the great work. Inaya Shah, your academic achievements, creative pursuits, and musicality are appreciable. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have been truly inspiring. Ikisha Kumar, your calm demeanor and polite nature makes a positive impact on those around you, and it sets a wonderful example for your peers. Keep up the great work. Kartikeya Jaiswal, your sincerity in completing your task and your commitment to excellence truly stands out. You approach each assignment with focus and responsibility. Keep up the fantastic work. Manisha Kaur, you are a consistent worker. You have a balanced approach to both learning and personal conduct. You show maturity, kindness, and responsibility. These qualities make a huge difference in the class. Mrityunjay Suri, you have incredible skills in hands-on activities. Your creativity, attention to detail, and ability to think critically while working on practical tasks is truly impressive. Keep learning through doing. Parikshit Pandey, your approach to every project is full of energy and determination. You work hard and try to achieve all the targets given in the class. Facilitating to you is a real pleasure. Sameer Soni, you display patience and perseverance in and outside the classroom. You approach challenges with a calm and composed attitude, and this thoughtful approach sets a great example for others as well. Keep up the wonderful work. Saksham Chandra, you approach every project with energy and determination. Your positive attitude and eagerness to learn are contagious, and they create an uplifting atmosphere for everyone around you. You make the learning process enjoyable and motivate others to stay engaged as well. Siddharth Mishra, you possess the skill and talent to learn are also an excellent planner who has the potential to execute any task efficiently. Suryansh Pratap Singh, you display incredible skills and enthusiasm in hands-on activities. Your ability to engage actively in tasks and learn by doing shows not only your practical skills but also your curiosity, determination to understand things deeply. Keep up the amazing work. Vanshika Singh, your kind and helping nature makes you popular in peer group. You stay calm and exhibit patience while executing your tasks. You are poised and polite, so you attract everyone's attention through your gracious aura. Ayush Kumar Gupta, you embrace learning through hands-on activities. Your ability to engage actively in tasks and learning by doing shows your practical skills, curiosity, determination to understand things deeply. Vivan Patel, you are kind, intelligent and hardworking. Your dedication to learning and willingness to help others is truly inspiring for your peers. You display physical talent, teamwork and discipline. Keep up the amazing work. You Pratap Singh, you are a dedicated, kind and thoughtful child. Your actions, work and respectful nature speak volumes. Your calm demeanor and focus are truly appreciable. Thank you.
Ahan Pandey, you are a dedicated learner. Your effort of hard working and perseverance will keep you strive to do your best. Anshi Bhatwa, your creativity inspires us all and the artwork is incredible and truly impressive. Arshif Pandey, you are always willing to lend a helping hand with compassion and empathy to inspire us all. Ayansh Shivats, a maths wizard. Your problem-solving skills are impressive, which leads you to approach challenge with confidence. Adarsh Singh, your writing skills are impressive. Your imagination creates unique and engaging stories. Anika Bansal, you are a diligent student with a pure heart. Your passion for achieving the best will take you far in your life. Arush Agrawal, you are a brave and confident speaker. Your public speaking skills are impressive. Avika Singh, your love for reading is inspiring and you always find new, exciting books to share. Avyansh Patel, your love for tabla is inspiring and you always practice with dedication and enthusiasm. Aisha Sheikh, you are a curious and ambitious girl who seeks perfection in all her tasks. Your uniqueness is what makes you lovable. Ayushman Dubey, you are an amazing team player as your collaboration skills are impressive and make you a valuable team member. Ayushman Mishra, you are a creative problem solver as you are admired for always coming up with innovative solutions. Basil Mustafa Khan, you are a dedicated and zestful learner. Your cooperation, kind and humble nature makes you an asset for the group. Devansh Pandey, you are always willing to lend a listening ear and your kindness touched heart every day. It was a delight watching you grow. Didi Nangwani, you are an enthusiastic learner. Your love for learning is inspiring and you are always approaching the challenges with excitement. Deviraj Singh Hora, you are an enthusiastic and engaged learner. You understand relationships well and show respect towards them. Garvit Singh, you are a bold and bright child. Your ability to communicate with your peers is extremely commendable. Kapish Motwani, you are a shining star. Your exceptional attention to details and meticulous approach to learning is truly impressive. Manya Motwani, you are not only an outstanding student but also incredible helper. Your willingness to assist in class is truly appreciated. Manya Yadav, you are a young ego warrior. Your love and care for environment are truly inspiring. Palashi Lakhmani, you are a literary genius. Your exceptional retention ability and deep understanding of literary texts is truly impressive. Pratham Kansal, your responsibility and punctuality are qualities that truly set you apart. Rajveer Singh, you are an outstanding athlete and an inspiration to your peers. Your tireless effort and unwavering commitment yield impressive results. Ridhima Kansal, your introvert nature may keep you from seeking the spotlight, but your exceptional intelligence, creativity, and thoughtfulness shine bright. Ritika Singh, your exceptional work ethic, curiosity, and passion for learning make you a joy to teach. Seerat Kaur, your bubbly personality brightens up the classroom and bright smile brings smile to the face. Your playful nature keeps us on our toes. Shreyash Pratap Singh, your kindness, empathy, and strong value make you a role model. Your commitment creates positive environment in the class. Snigdha Gaurav, you are a joyous and helpful child. Your innovative spirit, attention to details, and passion for designing inspire us all. Suryadev Singh, you are a knowledge powerhouse. Your exceptional quizzing skills and insightful contribution in the classroom discussion make you stand out. Swastik Kumar Yadav, you are a point and count student. Your love for your class and commitment of creating positive and inclusive committee is truly inspiring. Sayyid Muhammad Umair Haider Ali, your verbal skills are impressive and you articulate your thoughts with clarity and conviction.
You never give up and accept incompetence no matter how complex the matter is. Aksa Khan, you are the silent worker in the class, always ready to accept the challenges irrespective of results as you accept risk and rewards go hand in hand. Arna Pandey, you have a scientific temperament and loves to explore new things. You are an attentive student who tries to concentrate intensely on what the teacher attempts to convey during the class. Arushi Silvani, you are a great poem composer and loves to thread words in a colorful manner. You are also a resourceful person sparkled with instant solutions to the learning challenges. Astik Singh, you are an amazing artist and loves to represent work in a creative manner. Your patience is remarkable. You remain focused to master your studies with this talent. Athar Pandey, you are the most sensitive child of the class, always ready to help others. Your positive attitude ensures that you can navigate through different challenges and emerge as winner. Akulendra Mohan Singh, you are always determined towards the responsibility given. You are an excellent organizer during group activity, showcases true leadership quality. Avita Srivastava, you are a true leader and creative thinker. Have good expressions while doing role plays. Aviral Jaiswal, you are an excellent writer and possess a true sportsmanship. You are a diligent child who keeps a planner, start early, fight distractions and work hard all the time as per the attributes of effective student. Ayush Chaudhary, you are a self-disciplined child and have shown firm determination towards learning. Hitvik Singh, you are a true motivator for your classmates. You put time and effort in a balanced way, which leads to a constructive production of work. Isham Srivastava, you are a diligent student, always ready to adapt in new atmosphere, tries to present learning in creative style. Jabez Emmanuel Ma, you are always found confident in believing your qualities. You think critically and ask questions to deepen understanding. Karthik Singh, you are always found open-minded and willing to consider different perspectives to accept, reflect on, and learn from mistakes. Kushal Namdev Sharma, you are an optimistic child. The aura around you is full of energy, always eager to accept new responsibilities and challenges as endeavor to protect the planet. Kumaradip, your ideal traits of time management makes you a unique child of the class. You love to gather and synthesize information across a variety of media. Manya Jaiswal, you have a pure heart, always ready to stand for others. Your gift is admirable as you don't only want to know but also want to understand the whys and hows. Mayuri Srivastava, you are the most creative child of the class. You are an effective communicator and have wide range of thoughts while expressing on the topic. Muhammad Ahmad Khan, you are a true scientist of the class and loves to explore the consequences of the actions around you. Always ready to accept the new learning challenges. Nisha Chandani, you are always ready to face the challenges. You have an uncanny ability to think critically and clearly communicate your thinking in writing. Ojesh Tiwari, you possess a true sportsmanship. You remain curious and always found eager to learn new things. Paridhi Vijnani, you are always found determined about learning, always eager to dive deeper into the new learning situations. Priyanshi Sharma, you are always found polite and humble. You have an amazing adaptability skill. Camouflage yourself very well in new learning style. Samriddhi Pandey, you are a true learner, always ready to set the goal. You make the team work as dream work. You stay enthusiastic to learn language throughout the year. You are empathetic towards others in the surroundings. Sarvagya Jaiswal, you are a self-disciplined child, always learn through the challenges. You are champion of ambition. You don't just aim high, you aim for stars. Shikhar Reddy, you are always found active in the learning situations. You are a goal-oriented student and work diligently toward achieving the success. Shrish, you are a pure soul, keeps the facts without hesitation. You make sure everyone's ideas are heard and valued during group work. Shresh Agarwal, you are a confident boy who loves to explore the world. You are always found open to feedback and willing to learn from mistakes. Dayan Singh, you are an energetic child. Present yourself with logical inference and you are a true source of energy in the class.
Greetings to one and all present over here. Today, the journey of Jingle School has come to an end, and I am here with few words of appreciation for my dear children. Aradhana, you are appreciated for your eloquence and perseverance. You are hardworking, creative, and punctual. Arav Agarwal, you are energetic yet humble and modest. You are consistent performer in the field of sports.
You are very honest and always keep yourself busy. Arav Srivastava. You are shy, gentle and helpful child and is always ready to help others. You are innocent, energetic and playful. Ayush Yadav. You always involved in creative work. You think out of the box and execute your ideas independently. You are a multi-talented boy. Adrija. You are talented, versatile, wise and smart. You are always ready to participate in co-curricular activities. Advik Bansal. You plan your work ingeniously, which is appreciable. You share innovative ideas and thoughts. Anvi Gupta. Your perspective is refreshing. You have a talent for attention to details and it shows in your work. You are the champion. Arnav Verma. You work sincerely and confidently. Your ideas to make board games and models are incredible. Ashok Verma. You are calm and quiet child. You perform all the activities efficiently. You are role model of the class. Ashutosh Agarwal. You display patience in whatever work you do. You have an admirable creativity. Atal Pratap Singh. You are creative and talented boy. You participate in co-curricular activities enthusiastically. Dimple Ahuja. Your thoughtfulness is a gift. You have really worked hard. Your efforts and focus deserves compliment. Your determination to succeed is always reflected in your attitude. David. Your voice and thoughtful ideas are worthy of appreciation. You implement your learning efficiently. You are dedicated, attentive and the best. Your efforts are genuinely appreciated. Varvesh Srivastava. You are confident and possess excellent communication skills. You are smart, jovial and kind-hearted student. You have a passion to learn. Hindresh. You are a dedicated and a committed team player. You exhibit adaptability and enthusiasm in the field. Janvi Mishra. You are a wonderful child. You put in your best efforts to accomplish your goals. Tushar Agarwal. You possess leadership skills. You take initiative to make models in groups and individually as well. You are bold, confident and honest. Manas Motwani. A hard-working boy. You strive hard to complete the assigned task. You are remarkable. You are a good student and a friend. Mohammed Mehdi Abbas. You are friendly with everyone. Your smile and bubbly energy can lighten the mood in an instant. Natik Sharma. You are a creative child. You always put in your best efforts to perform different roles in skit and enactment efficiently. Navya Paujani. You have a charming personality. You possess empathy and are kind towards others. You are a role model for all. Prisha Tiwari. You are a great artist. You are multi-talented and always do the work with perfection. You have done a wonderful job in class 5. Rudrakshi.
You are strong and energetic sports person. You are amazing. You have a smiling face and a friendly nature. Rudransh Tripathi. You possess excellent communication skills. You are an analytical thinker. You get to the bottom of the things and solve a problem easily. Shivangi Mishra. You are brave and courageous. You put in your best efforts to solve a problem. You are a good player of basketball, an efficient dancer, and a singer. Shivanshi Kubari. You are a multi-talented girl. You are a good dancer, a player, and an artist. You are techno-savvy. You have done a wonderful job in class 5. Shiren Pathak. You are strong and adventurous boy. You enjoy outdoor as well as indoor games. You are magnificent. You are studious and a responsible boy. Shreyan Srivastava. You strive hard and put in your best effort to accomplish your goal. You are techno-savvy. Vimarsh Maurya. You are such a great artist. You draw attractive paintings. Your voice and thoughtful ideas are worthy of appreciation. Vishruti Swarup. You have a euphonious voice. You sing melodiously. You are a responsible, caring, and sweet girl. Yashika Verma. You display good deal of interest in sports. You run at a good speed. You are exceptionally talented. You have done a wonderful job in class 5. I wish all the best to all my dear children for your future. All the best.
So it's moment of go forward. It's really a very emotional phase for teachers as well as students who are everywhere on campus. Their memories are gone. So here let's have the expression from our children of class 5 to Sandra on this occasion. Welcome the children to present before us a song. Sometimes we say hi, sometimes we say bye. This song is composed by them.
Sometimes we say hi, sometimes we say bye. Sometimes we say hi, sometimes we say bye. It's
to see all of you here. Good morning, everyone. Madam Director, Secretary Mrs. Rita Banerjee, esteemed guests, parents, and children. Today we are gathered here to celebrate our children's accomplishments, perseverance, and growth. I offer my warmest congratulations and best wishes to everyone. May your graduation from class 5 be just the beginning of an exciting journey of discovery, growth, and achievements. The light of knowledge guide you on your path. The wisdom of experience shapes your decision. You make us proud, and you may remember the lessons you have learned here. The wisdom of experience shapes your decision. We are proud of each and every one of you and honored to have been a part of your educational journey. Dear parents, congratulations to you on this momentous occasion. We are proud to have partnered with you in the development of your ward. Thanks a lot for your all support for all many years from where your children are studying here. Children, once again, best wishes to you as you move on to the new journey. May your future be filled with success and happiness. Thanks once again to everyone.